Hi everybody. So here is my little tutorial for you to go through what the classroom looks like, some expectations, and how to maneuver your way around. This is all sort of a work in progress and new to me, so if it's not the most functional yet, just give me some feedback via email and I will do the best I can to try to make this more functional for you. So here we go. When you first go to your Google Classroom, you should skip the streaming page and go right to this classwork page right here. Underneath this classwork page, I'll have each day that we're doing our remote learning listed out, and underneath that day will be the expectations for what you need to complete. So you can see right now I have it set up so that there are 5 remote learning days as of right now. That's all we have to worry about. Excellent. And so you will be opening up the attachments for remote learning day number 1, okay, to start off. So underneath this day, you're going to find a question of the day. This question of the day needs to be answered by you so that I can consider you to have been present for the class during our class block. Okay? It's a nice, easy way for me to make sure that you have actively checked in. So you're going to come here, open this up. You're going to view the question. You're going to, well, yours probably looks different than mine. You're going to view the question. You're going to type in your answer and then make sure to submit it. Okay? So that's the first thing you need to do. Following that, you should take a peek at our daily agenda. This is going to list out everything that is expected of you for the day and gives you the learning objectives, so what you should be walking away with. So for instance, the learning objective for the first day is that you're able to describe what properties of matter are, that you're able to distinguish between both physical and chemical properties and describe them if I were to give you an item or an example, and then to be able to distinguish between what a physical and chemical change are. Okay. In terms of what you need to do, that's right here as you scroll through down under our to-do list. Obviously the first thing would be to answer that class question so I can get that attendance piece done. And then you're going to watch the screencast of the notes. And make sure you're taking notes yourself when you're watching these videos, or if you're going through the Google slide presentation that I send, that you're taking notes so that you can use that on the Google Forms quiz. Pretty much anytime I give you a note set or a video, something to watch, you're going to be required to answer some questions about it, and the Google form is the best way to go there, in my mind. In terms of what's next, once you finish the notes and the quiz, you'll have some sort of content application that you're going to have to complete. In this particular case, I have a lovely little worksheet set up for you. It's been shared out to each one of you individually. Read the directions, complete the sheet, and make sure you turn it in. I can still get to it and grade it if you don't, but it would be much easier for me to figure out who has and has not done their work if you hit the Turn In Assignment button when you complete it. Please and thank you. The final thing you're going to be seeing is some sort of extension activity. Now, the extension activity is due by midnight on the Friday of the entire week, whatever week we're in. Okay. This is going to be a running document that you're going to have to go back to every week and complete the extension activity within it. All right. So here, following the daily agenda, are the things you're going to are the materials you're going to need to use. So starts with your Google Slides. I will be uploading a video in here for you to watch as well. Then you'll take your note quiz. When you finish that, you're going to click here to go to the physical property assignment. And then this extension activity is a running document, like I said before, and you're going to need to complete the assignment based on the week and make sure it's turned in before midnight on Friday. Okay. In a nutshell, that's pretty much what you can expect for just about every day that we're together. There will be a question that needs to be answered, the agenda for what's going to happen. There'll be something that you're going to have to watch, questions you're going to have to answer, and work that needs to be done. If you have questions about anything as you're going through it or before you get to it, please feel free to email me. Okay? It's easiest for you to email and me to respond that way. If you still don't understand, we could go into and have a one-on-one conference through Google Hangout so that I could explain in a one-on-one, face-to-face style fashion what's happening. I wish you all the best of luck. At the end of this week, I'll send out a survey just to get your opinion over how everything flows through the days, and hope that if there need be improvements, that I can make them for you. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and, yeehaw, here we go.